Hello and welcome back everyone. So how you can reinstall your Windows operating system from scratch. Okay, currently you can see I have already installed the Windows operating system 11. Okay, so how you can reinstall the Windows operating system. So you don't need any pen drive anything. So you have to just go to the settings, open the settings here. Okay, click on settings. When you click on settings, go to the system option. You can see the system option and slide down a little bit and go to not about actually. So go to the recovery option. You can see the recovery option here. Click on recovery option and now you can see fix problem using Windows updates. Okay, so reinstall now. When you reinstall now, everything going to be reinstalled and it'll take a little bit time. So reinstall your current version Windows. Okay, so reinstall your current version Windows. Okay, so click on reinstall now. When you click on reinstall now, it will ask for your permission. Okay, it'll repair your computer file system. Okay, so it will repair your computer file system, and if you click on automatically restart my PC 15 after 15 minutes, it'll just check and click OK. It will automatically reinstall your operating system entirely. Okay, also you can go to the reset PC and remove, click here, remove everything, your personal file and everything will be removed, and it will reinstall your operating system entirely, cleanly and newly. Okay, so when you click here and just I'll show you the click. I'll click the and click on local install, and now you can see all the configurations and click next and finish. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.